Did you know the right beginner laptop can halve your coding struggles? Welcome to the channel. Today we reveal top 5 laptops for coding and programming beginners. Stay tuned, check the product links in the description, and unlock devices that deliver reliability, speed, and confidence truly to support your learning journey. The number 5 product on our list is Lapbook J4125. The Lapbook J4125 stands out as a budget-friendly pick for coding beginners. Powered by Intel's quad-core Celeron J4125, up to 2.7 GHz with performance comparable to a 6th Gen Core i5. Paired with 8 GB DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB M2 SSD, it offers quick boot times and smooth multitasking for VS Code, terminals, and browsers. Its 15.6 Full HD IPS display is clear and comfortable for coding, while ports like USB 3, Mini HDMI, USB C, and RJ45 provide solid expandability for external monitors or wired Ethernet. Build quality isn't premium and performance can dip under heavier loads, but for beginners on a budget, it delivers reliable everyday usability and enough power to focus on learning to code without overspending. AT number 4 is ASUS Vivobook 15E1000 504 FA. Surprised that a $300 0-cents Vivobook can tame coding effortlessly? Meet the ASUS Vivobook 15E1000 504 FA. One of the top 5 best laptops for coding and programming beginners. Inside, a Ryzen 3 732U quad-core CPU, 8 GB DDR5 RAM, and a 512 GB PCI SSD launch VS Code instantly and handle multiple tabs without lag. Visual cue B-roll of VS Code opening instantly. Battery delivers over 8 hours in real use, giving peace of mind for study sessions, though power users report drops closer to 6 hours. Ports include HDMI, USB C, Display plus Power, USB 3.2, and headphone jack for plug-and-play external monitor or keyboard setups. Against the bargain Lapbook J4125, the Vivobook stays cooler and feels sturdier thanks to its Nano Edge build. It won't crunch Docker containers or render video fast, but for Python, web dev, or C++ basics, it's a wise choice. We recommend gear that earns its keep in tested real-world comfort. More ahead on why users praise and critique it. The third one on our list is HP Stream 14-inch. Surprisingly, the HP Stream 14-inch earns its spot among the top 5 best laptops for coding and programming beginners, offering a budget-friendly foundation for starting your coding journey. Powered by an Intel Celeron N4000 120 quad-core CPU, it handles everyday tasks like VS Code, terminals, and browser tabs. But don't expect Docker or heavy multitasking to fly. Its lightweight design, micro-edge bezel display, and USB-DC, HDMI, and USB-A ports give you basic expandability even for an extra monitor setup on a tight budget. Most users report around 7 hours of battery life, letting you code through a workday without panic. Reviewers note the build is plastic and the 64 GB eMMC storage fills quickly, but for absolute beginners focused on Python or Java basics, this laptop brings reliability, peace of mind, and few distractions. HP Stream quietly delivers value-tested real-world comfort when you're just launching your programming path. On number 2 is Lenovo IdeaPad 1. Shocked that a sub-$400 0-cents laptop like the Lenovo IdeaPad 1 can actually survive a full coding session? This sleek 17.9mm chassis hides a surprisingly capable machine that earns its spot in our top 5 best laptops for coding and programming beginner. It pairs the ultra-sophisticated Celeron N4500 processor with Dolby Audio, Wi-Fi 6, and delivers up to 10 hours of battery life during light productivity use. With 8 GB DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB SSD, or eMMC, it boots instantly and runs VS Code, terminal, and browser tabs smoothly in real-world tests. It offers HDMI, USB C, USB 3.2, and micro SD ports for beginners expanding their setup. The experience stays cooler and more responsive than bargain alternatives. Yes, the build is plastic, and pushing dozens of tabs at once can bog it down. But for coding beginners focused on Python, JavaScript, or entry-level C++, it delivers real value, reliability, and peace of mind. Now moving to the last one is HP Indy 2AS. Surprisingly nimble, the HP Chromebook 14A NF2SA, Intel N100, 4GB RAM, 128GB eMMC, boots in seconds and handles VS Code and web-based IDEs with grace. Its 14 full HD display looks sharp, and the fanless design means silent focus even during long study sessions. With 10-12 hours of battery life, it's a peace of mind companion for learning all day, true portability, and no charging anxiety. Ports like USB C, USB A, HDMI, and microSD provide room to grow into dual monitor setups or add accessories on a budget. While it won't run Docker or heavy IDEs smoothly, the Intel N100 chip delivers more headroom than expected for basic Python or JavaScript work. Its plastic build feels lightweight, though not premium. If you're starting coding and want reliability and value-tested comfort, not flashy hardware, this Chromebook quietly delivers exactly what beginners need. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best laptops for coding and programming beginners. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.